Mathematics, Grade 9. Lesson number 11, the calculator. Fifth video. Next part of the lesson, performing calculations using the square root key in a scientific calculator. Find the value of the square root of a number. We use the square root key. Now we are going to write the order in which the keys need to be pressed to obtain the value of the following calculations. First example, square root of 25.
At first, you should switch on the calculator by pressing the on key. Then, square root of 25. At first, you should press the square root sign. There is a square root sign key. Square root of 25. Then 2. Then 5. Now, we want to get the square root of 25. For that, we should press the equal sign. Then the answer is 5.
Second example, square root of 44,521.
At first, we should press the AC key to clear the screen. Then square root of 44,521. At first, you should press the square root key. Then the number 4 and 4, 5, 2, 1. 44,521. Now to obtain the answer, you should press the equal sign. Then the answer is 211.
Third example, square root of 5.29.
At first, we should press AC key, then square root of 5.29, then square root sign, then 5, then decimal point 2, then 9. Then to obtain the answer, we should press the equal sign. Then here you can see the answer. It's 2.3.
To the activity number 4.